There was a moment in modern history when money quietly stopped being real. No announcement, no warning, no global alarm. Yet overnight, the entire financial system transformed into something artificial. A system where wealth could be created with a signature. Debt could be multiplied in seconds, and nations began borrowing money that didn't exist. Most people have no idea this happened, but you feel its effects every time you buy food, pay rent, or save for the future. Today, you're going to learn the hidden shift that controls every dollar you spend. For thousands of years, money had one simple rule: it had to be real. Gold, silver, something you could touch. Civilizations rose and fell based on how much treasure they control. But in the early 20th century, global powers realized something important. If money only comes from gold, power is limited. Governments, banks, and financial institutions wanted more control, more flexibility, and more creation. This desire planted the first seed of a new financial empire. Then came the invention that changed everything: fractional reserve banking. Banks discovered a loophole. If a person deposited $100, they didn't need to keep the full 100. They only needed 10. The remaining 90 could be loaned out to someone else. And when that 90 was deposited again, it could be loaned out again. Money began to duplicate. Without physical value, debt became an asset, and the financial system became a factory of artificial money. For the first time, money started becoming unreal. But the real breaking point came on August 15th, 1971, the day money officially stopped being real. President Nixon announced that the US dollar would no longer be backed by gold. No vote, no public debate, no global approval, just one decision, and the world's most powerful currency detached from reality. From that moment, money became pure trust, a digital promise. Governments gained the power to print unlimited money. Inflation became permanent. Debt became endless. Crises became predictable, and the hidden financial empire took full control. After 1971, something silent but dangerous began. House prices skyrocketed. Global debt exploded from 1 trillion to over 300 trillion. The dollar lost most of its buying power. Banks became the real rulers of the economy, and ordinary people started working harder while getting less. But the most dangerous consequence was psychological. People didn't realize the system had changed. They blamed their struggles on bad luck, low salary, or expensive life, never knowing the game itself was redesigned. Governments tried to fix the system by printing more money, lowering interest rates, and creating new credit bubbles. But every solution only made the system weaker. You can't fix an economy built on money that isn't real. You can only delay the collapse by creating more artificial money. Today, money is no longer paper or gold. It's data, numbers in a computer. And whoever controls those numbers controls everything. Central banks, investment giants, credit institutions, they decide how much money exists. They decide interest. They decide debt. Your financial life, from rent to food to savings, is shaped by a system designed in 1971 and hidden from the public ever since. In the end, there are 3 truths you must understand. Money is no longer real. It's a controlled illusion created by debt. Every financial crisis is engineered by the same system built over 50 years ago, and understanding this system is the only way to escape it. Empires don't fall when people rebel. They fall when people finally understand the truth.